everyone, welcome back to the channel. And those who are seeing me for the first time, those who are here for the first time, I give them a big and a warm welcome to Wimaway. My name is Vija and I make DIY videos for home decor. I can inspire just like you do, so I do not miss a chance to work on this project, and of course I do not forget to upload the video. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please do not forget to watch my other videos and let me know how you like them, so that helps me to improve my work. Today's video is about Terrazzo prints. I'm going to be showing you how I work on my Terrazzo print tray with this mold, silicone mold. So basically Terrazzo prints come out from the construction material which has a base of cement in it, and to give it more strength they add quartz, marbles, gravels, everything into it, so it can be more, so there should be more strength on the compound. When the compound is poured into the molds, the heavy pieces that comes to the bottom and that creates a candid design every time, which you usually see on the flooring. I personally love that design because you never know how it's going to come out when you make it, but it's absolutely beautiful every time. So this time I tried to make my own Terrazzo print design, in which I did not use any quartz or gravel or anything like that. I tried to create my own colored Terrazzo pieces and mix it with the concrete and make the tray. I hope you'll enjoy the video, and let's get started. I had this Spackle, which I have already used in previous videos. To make those different color patterns, I started to mix colors to it. I knew how dark is my concrete, so I selected the colors which can look nice with these prints. So I made one with a blue color by adding multiple of blue shades into my Spackle, and then to give it a little bit of brightness, I made another one with yellow. And for the last one, I added black to the Spackle and created very dark grey shade, which was much darker than the concrete patch. Once they were mixed up completely, I took polythene piece and started to spread them in a big and a thick layer. Literally any plastic piece or any kind of polythene piece is fine for this, and then I left it to dry for about 5 to 6 hours. And after that, I simply made a tiny pieces by breaking those big chunks with the hands, and it doesn't have to be in a shape. I did it just like this way. And with this concrete patch, which I actually mixed with a little bit of water to give it a smooth consistency. On a mold, I spread those pieces first unevenly and in a different color. And on top of it, I poured a concrete mixture and added few more color pieces on the top as well. The mold is actually for resin crafts, so it did not work for concrete well. I gave 2 good tries, but edges kept breaking. However, a good news is Terrazzo prints with concrete worked as expected. It turned out pretty good after that. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have enjoyed the video, please do not forget to engage with a like, share, comment and subscribe, because if you do that, YouTube will suggest this video to the people like you in their YouTube feed, and they will be watching my video, and that helps me to create my YouTube community. Once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.